Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom meeting link. Whether you are setting up a quick meeting or scheduling one for later, Zoom makes it easy to generate a link and share it with others. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app and make sure you are logged in. To start an instant meeting, click New Meeting. Once the meeting begins, click Participants at the bottom, then select Invite. Here you will see an option to copy invite link. Click on it and you can now share the link with anyone. If you want to schedule a meeting for later, click Schedule. A new window will open where you can set the meeting topic, date, time and security settings. Once done, click Save. Your scheduled meeting will appear in the Meetings tab. Click on it, then select More option and choose Copy Invitation to get the meeting link. Now, simply share this link with your participants via email, WhatsApp, or any messaging platform of your choice. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Zoom meeting link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.